Thank you for visiting Fabify.in and checking Yeru do-it-yourself modular staircase. In this video, we will understand how to calculate number of steps and raise height. First, open the Google Sheet and make your copy. In your copy of the sheet, update the distance between base on which the stairs will sit to the top surface. Take this measurement in millimeter and update the field next to 1 height. This DIY model of Yeru is telescopic and can be adjusted for 75 mm to accommodate raise height as needed by you. So this staircase can have a raise height of 175 mm to 250 mm as per your convenience. Update your comfortable raise height in millimeter in field next to raise. Note, keep it between 175 mm to 250 mm that is suitable for you. You should now be seeing the rounded number of stairs in field next to 3 number steps. This will be the number of steps you need to consider for buying in our portal. The next field will give you the exact measurement of raise height you need to set during installation. Thank you and have a wonderful day.